Hi everybody, welcome to Strategies. As you know, we are going to be using Google Meets as our new platform to meet for our class. Hopefully this will give us the ability to be able to see each other. We love seeing your faces, and this way we get to see your whole face instead of just half of it with your mask on. So let's get started. These directions will be on your first slide. Class starts at 11:35 sharp. We want to be able to get rolling, get everybody there. Ms. Chesbro and I are going to be starting class really close to 11:35. We'll probably start class at 11:37 for sure. We'll give you 2 minutes to kind of get all in there, but at 11:37 we are starting with or without you. So that means you might need to get things set up beforehand. So get your Schoology page open, get your Google ready, and go to Meets. So if you don't know how to get to Google Meets yet, this is how we do it. So we're on a Google website, so a new tab with Google. I click these little buttons right here. Let's move my face. You should have one that says Meet with this little camera. If you have me as a teacher, if you have Miss Chesbro as a teacher, doesn't matter. We're teaching this class together, so we're going to use the same passcode every single day. Yours won't have meetings scheduled in there unless you have a meeting scheduled with a different teacher. That's fine. You're going to click this plus button. You are going to type in our nickname for our class. So we're using Miss Chesbro's nickname for our class. It'll be the same today, tomorrow, the next day, the day after that. All the time, okay? So our passcode is A Chesbro 3. Oops, I pushed 2. 3. So ACHESBRO 3. You guys are going to get really good at spelling Miss Chesbro's last name. If you don't know how to spell it, you can just copy and paste from the slideshow, and then just paste it in it. To copy on your guys' computers, if you don't know, it is Control-C. So highlight, push Control-C to copy the word, and then Control-V to paste it. As always, if you guys cannot get in, if something is giving you troubles, send us a message on Schoology. We will help you right away, we promise. Okay, so after you have the nickname in, all you're going to do is push Continue. We're going to allow the microphone. Some pop-ups might pop up for you guys, but that's okay. You can see yourself, so you can see your surroundings. I see that my pillows are kind of in the way. I don't want people to see that. Okay, you will also, shoot, I'm not on Chrome, but you'll be able to click this button, and then there'll be a button that says change background. If you guys want to change your background, we won't be able to see what's going on behind you. You don't have to move your pillows if you don't want to. So that's what we're doing. All you gotta do is push join now, and we'll see you there. Remember, try to join as close to as 11:35 as you possibly can.